Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So March is basically over, which is really crazy. So I wanted to go ahead and share with y'all my March favorites in makeup and beauty. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. Okay, so my first favorite is the Merit, okay, I have 4 of them, Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick. So I actually, okay, so here's the thing. I purchased 2 of these and then after that Merit reached out to me and said that they were gonna send me 2 of them. So I had picked up the shades Baby and Tiger, and so then they sent me the shades Fashion and Slip, which I was already obsessed with them. So I was like, yes. So if you don't know, Merit is a clean, cruelty-free vegan beauty brand, and this is actually their first release since like January of 2021. So I was super excited. It's described as a sheer lipstick with a satin finish and the benefits of a lip balm without the heaviness of a traditional lipstick, which I 120% agree with. These are so beautiful, and thank you so much to Merit for sending me 2 additional shades. I have not been able to stop wearing them. So I thought that I would go ahead and show you some swatches. I have other favorites for this month, but I wanted to show you some swatches on my hand as well as on my lips. So right now I'm wearing the shade Baby, which is one that I purchased myself, and I have to say, I think that this one is my favorite. So here's the shade Baby. Just a beautiful, everyday, like not too pinky. It's like a perfect, like tawny kind of pink. And it's not too cool, not too warm. What is that, like the 3 little bears? It's not too hot, not too cold. It's just right. And like I said, that is the shade that I have on my lips right now. So next we have the shade Tiger, which is also a shade that I purchased myself. Just a beautiful rusty brown, and I think it's gonna be perfect. I feel like it's a pretty summer color, it's a pretty fall color, it could be many things. So let me take this shade Baby off, and I'm gonna apply Tiger to my lips. So here's that shade Tiger. So pretty, y'all. It obviously doesn't go with this eye look, but it's such a pretty, just kind of like terracotta-y kind of brown, and I feel like this is gonna look so beautiful across so many skin tones. And like I said, I feel like it's one of those shades that you can like wear in the summer or in the fall. So pretty. So next we have the shade Slip, which is one of the shades that was sent to me by Merit. So here's the shade Slip. As you can see, it's just kind of like an everyday nude kind of color, not as deep as the Tiger shade, so maybe a little bit more wearable for every day, but again, it's beautiful. So let me take Tiger off and we'll apply Slip. So here's Slip. Like I said, just a very pretty everyday nude kind of color, especially like for my skin tone. I think it's like not a like white out kind of nude, but I think that like on deeper skin tones that this would probably be like a very light nude, like lighter than your skin. But for my skin, it's just a really pretty everyday nude. I paired this yesterday with, I actually have it right here, the BK Beauty liner in Sweet Pea, and I think that it may be one of my favorite lip combos that I have ever tried, y'all. It's so beautiful. Try it if you have these products. So let me go ahead and take this off, and we're gonna swatch the last shade that I have, which is called Fashion. So last but certainly not least, we have the shade Fashion. Oops, I ran out of room. So here is the shade Fashion. It's a beautiful berry pinky color, and it is just stunning. So again, from the top to the bottom, we have Fashion, Baby, Tiger, and Slip. So here's the shade Fashion. So beautiful, y'all. It's a beautiful, cool toned berry shade. This would be perfect for the winter time, for the summertime, any time of the year. And if this eye look weren't so bold, I would probably keep this on, but I think it might be a little much for my taste. It does look beautiful with this eye look though. So I have been wearing these lipsticks. I have been loving them. They're hydrating, yet they have a lasting power. So they last like at least half the day, and then I have to reapply, but overall they last really well, and they're still very hydrating and moisturizing on the lips. So I'm a huge fan. These have definitely been a favorite this month. I love them. And thank you again to Merit for sending over 2 of those shades. I was so excited. I was like, yeah, I'll take 2 more. So let me go ahead and take this off. I'm actually gonna put that baby shade back on, and I will be back to talk about the rest of my favorites from this month. Okay, so I put that baby shade back on. So I think I forgot to mention at the beginning of my video, I did do a reel that was posted on Saturday using all of these products. So if you want to see them in action, head on over to my Instagram. It's at beautybykaylak. So my next favorite, y'all, I'm not even exaggerating. I think that this may be my favorite eye look that I have ever done. And it is thanks to this beauty, the Eyeshadow Palette from Odin's Eye in collaboration with Angelica Nyquist. This palette, y'all, is stunning. It is all of my favorite colors to use on my eyes, and I am obsessed. All of the shades are blendable. They're the shimmers and the duochromes or multi-chromes are just stunning and so impactful. And I love, like I said, how blendable and creamy the mattes are. This look, I mean, it should speak for itself. I'm so obsessed with this eye look, y'all. I think I have taken like 100 pictures of it. I'm obsessed. It's beautiful. I'm not sure, I'll have to check, but this did restock on March 22nd. So it may still be in stock. I'm not 100% sure, but if it is, like, and you're into these kinds of colors, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I have been loving this palette. So also, I picked up a new foundation this month, and it is the Fit Glow Beauty Foundation. I have it in the shade F1. I did do a review on this last week, and again, it's what I'm wearing on my face today. I love this foundation. It is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, silicone-free, organic ingredients, plant actives. It's got tons and tons of skincare benefits in it, and it just, for me, is this perfect, like, medium coverage yet natural looking foundation, okay? And it can also be sheared out to where it just, if you don't want as much coverage, it's really crazy. It has this doe foot applicator. Like I said, I did a full review of it last week. So if you want to see that, I'll link it down below. It's what I'm wearing on my face today, and I really, really love it. It's one of the best foundations I think I've tried this year. I'm obsessed. Next, this isn't a new product, but it's new to me. So whenever I picked up the Victoria Beckham Posh Gloss in the shade Poolside, I also finally picked up one of her Cheeky Posh blushes. I got it in the shade Mini Skirt. It's just this beautiful, like, brownie berry shade. It's what I'm wearing on my cheeks today, and I love it. I will be picking up more shades of this. They're expensive, but like the packaging, it's so like heavy and luxurious. The formula, it's a cream, but it sets down to a powder finish. So it's not like tacky or sticky. It doesn't transfer. And I don't know what took me so long to pick these up. Or if you have a favorite shade that's not this one, let me know in the comment section down below. But I definitely want to pick up more, and I've been loving it. So not too many products, but those are all of the products that I've really been loving and reaching for this month. I have, you know, if there's products that I've mentioned in previous favorites videos, I still love all of them. And I'm still using all of them. Like today, for my bronzer and contour, I use the Salt New York Sculpt and Bronze Cream Tint Pro. I've used it every day. Actually, let me share with y'all. I hit pan on the light shade and this is my first pan of Sneaky Balm. It's almost gone, so this is my fresh one. So needless to say, those are always and always will be favorites. And another thing that I've been loving is setting under my eyes. I didn't do it today, but I have been loving setting under my eyes with this Phytosurgent Spectral Shine in the shade Fresh Fog. I use the Sonia G Jumbo Concealer Brush and I just swirl it. It's dirty, I'm sorry. But I use it I just swirl it in there and I tap it over my concealer. And if you're looking for a natural, non-powdery under eye set that still sets under your eyes, your concealer, that's the way to go. It's fantastic. I've raved about that product, so I won't do it again, but it's amazing. So like I said, if it's favorites that I've mentioned before, I still love them. That's not gonna change. If it does change, I'll definitely let you know. So let me know in the comment section down below what products you've been loving this month. Have you been loving any of these products? And as always, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank you again so much to Merit for sending me those lipsticks as well as some of their other products. I just really love that brand, and the lipsticks are a definite all-time favorite. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!